planet of the same name. Also, a little-known fact throughout galactic history, off-world raiders would occasionally go to Endor to hunt the native Ewok population to make Ewok jerky, a popular snack across the Outer Rim. And if you don't believe me, it's actually canon and was first mentioned in Star Wars: The Clone Wars. Endor is like the planet Naboo, a planet we'll cover later, in that it's very Earth-like. The Endor filming scenes were recorded at Redwood National and State Parks in California, as well as Humboldt Redwood State Park. It's also similar to places like the forests of Greece and areas around the West Coast, but we're not going to equate Endor with Earth quite yet. In fact, there is another exoplanet far out into space that could very well be another Endor. It is known as 55 Cancri F, over 41 light years away from us within the constellation Cancer the Crab. Very few gas giants have been discovered beyond our solar system that lie within this habitable or Goldilocks zone, but 55 Cancri F is the first. Though no exosolar moons have been discovered, all of these far-off exoplanets are more likely to have at least one moon. Just take Saturn and Jupiter, for example. These two gas giants in our own solar system are parent to over 120 moons between them. Scientists involved with the discovery of this world suspect that if it has a rocky moon, as they expect, any water on its surface would flow freely, dramatically increasing the odds that it could harbor life. If you notice the color lines on the dome, you'll see that the green lines represent the orbits of the planets. The blue line is the freezing point, so any planet beyond that blue boundary would have any water on its surface frozen. The red line is the boiling point. Any planet orbiting inside that red line means it's too close to its star, and any water would boil away. You'll notice that 55 Cancri F spends most of its time within that Goldilocks zone. Again, naming exoplanets can be pretty tricky with the explosion of recent extrasolar discoveries. The name 55 Cancri comes from the Flamsteed designation after the 18th century astronomer John Flamsteed. Now don't worry, there's not going to be a test on this. Cancri is the Latin genitive for Cancer, where the star is found, 55 referring to the placement in the catalog. The F, with a lowercase, refers to the planet and when it was discovered in relation to the other planets. Okay, back to the story. Luke tells Leia what he found out, then surrenders himself to the Imperial troops to finally confront Vader once and for all. As Luke and Vader battle each other on the Death Star, the Rebel Alliance fight on Endor to successfully destroy the shield generator. The Emperor urges